Hi, Ulsh. My name is Craig from Equilibrium Digital, and today in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you could start doing to help bring more customers to your business. So what I do is I work with local businesses to help grow their customer base and boost sales through numerous strategies of digital marketing. I've found that by giving people an easy free attack plan that they could implement today to impact their businesses has resulted in a lot of business owners still putting their trust in me to help grow their business. So if by the end of this video you've liked what you've heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeves and a lot of SEO strategies that can help benefit your company, please just email me back and we can set up a meeting or give me a call. If at the end of this video you simply want to take this free attack plan I give you and do it all yourself, that totally works for me also. So I don't want to waste any more of your time, and here are 3 things that your website could be doing today to grow your customer base. So as you can see, I have your website up here, and it's a good looking website. But the first thing I actually want to talk about is content. So first, what I did is I just looked up Hardscapes-Tampa, and I pulled up your top competitor, which is right here, Tampa Bay Brick Pavers. So as you can see, they also have a similar website build and design, but they have more words on here, more areas that you can click. So in order to be in the top of Google's algorithms and be at the top of that search list, you want to have a minimum of 1,500 words on that homepage. So I ran your website and Tampa Bay Brick Pavers in one of my tools that I use called SEO Quake, and this is yours. And as you can see, you only have 155 total words on that front page. Now your number one competitor actually only has 332. So what that means is that some simple added words, added content on that front page can already bring you up in the trajectory. And doing some research, I found that you're actually on the 5th page of Google when searching for brick pavers in Tampa. So the second thing I want to look at is actually right here, and it's keywords. So although having 1,500 words is important, having keywords is actually primarily the focus. So it's about the quality, not the quantity necessarily. So when we go on Google, the first thing we see is ads that people are paying Google to be on the top. But studies have actually shown that ads are only semi-effective, and they can definitely become a huge money pit if they're not bringing adequate revenue. Using good keyword ratio is actually one of the ways that you can get to the top of Google without actually having to pay for ads. Now, if we look at some of these that you have on, or that they have on their site, they have Tampa, brick pavers, standard, paving. Now we use another tool here so we can see kind of what the monthly search volume is. And this is for Florida, and the monthly search volume alone for brick pavers is coming around to 22,000 people, right? That's a huge search. Or paver installation, brick setting, paver setting, installing brick pavers. Look at these searches. This is how many people monthly search, right? So just using some of those keywords are something that can really catapult your company to the top of the organic searches in Google, which is going to bring in plenty more customers and plenty more clicks, which is what's important. Lastly, what I want to go over is backlinks. And quickly, I took your website and I took their website, and I plugged them in this Ahrefs. So what Ahrefs does is it shows you how many backlinks you're currently using and some referring domain information. So looking at yours, you only have 2 backlinks and 1 referring domain. So what that means is the link juice conversion. So this is kind of the website power. And if we look here, they have 59 backlinks. So what is a backlink? A backlink is basically one company putting the other company's link, or website rather, link to their website, giving them power and giving them authority. It's basically a popularity contest. So if you look here, Yellow Pages, Brandon is linking to them. We can scroll down. Go Local 247 is linking to them. You know, these are all the lists of the different backlinks. So Google looks at the backlinks and they use that as part of their algorithm to how they promote the things to the top of Google. So something that our business does, or our company does, is we find what backlinks they're using and we go after those. And additionally, we go after other backlinks outside of those so that we can ensure that you catapult yourself over that competition and you're in the top, top 5, number 1 spot, depending on what you're ranking for. So in closing, what we've looked at today are 3 highlighted areas that could help catapult you over your competition here. We looked at your content. We looked at wanting to get about 1,500 words on this front page. We looked at keywords and how important keywords are, and that you want to have, keywords similar to what your opponent is using, but more of them, and even more keywords to give your ability to be searched for more easily. And then lastly, we looked at backlinks and how important it is to be having more of those backlinks and those referring domains showing that other businesses are trusting you to put your name on their website. Now, if you implement these 3 strategies that we discussed today, you could easily be number 1 across Google. So you can either take this information that I just provided you and do it all on your own, and I'm totally cool with that because I'm all about growing local businesses. However, if you want a more effective route and you want to save yourself the time and energy, give me a call at 813-515-3488. Once again, my name's Craig, and my number is 813-515-3488. I look forward to hearing back from you, and have a great day.